Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the market and specifically talking about Polygon. Polygon's been doing really well, up 4.53% in the last 24 hours, but a lot of these coins have been doing well today, and that's something we definitely like to see. Bitcoin up to 43.3K, and we're seeing Ethereum now up 4 to 5% as well, up to 3.2K, so continuing to see a lot of coins really starting to recover during this period. I want to jump into Polygon, though, and talk a little bit about what's going on and where we could see Polygon go to in the 2022 year and the end of the bull market altogether. So if we take a look at the last day, like I said, a 4 to 5% increase up to $2.17. But the last month and the last week have really not done too much for Polygon. 6.5 to 7% of a decrease in the last week, but the last month only being about a 2% increase. If we take a look at the last year, you're going to see a lot of volatility coming from 36 cents April 21st up to that very, very high peak of $2.46 May 18th, and then right back down we went during the dip of the crypto space at all. All came crashing down really at the same time. 69 cents July 20th. But a nice recovery since then. Had a nice all-time high push of $2.92 December 26th, and now we are at that $2.17. I do think we're going to see a new all-time high here in 2022 for Polygon, as a lot of people, retail and institutional, understand the value and utility that Polygon brings to us. So I want to jump into that real quick, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the big news going on here just recently and some of the big things to talk about with in regards really to Polygon MATIC. So Polygon MATIC is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using those layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that really run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can then deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The MATIC token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So we're going to definitely see the need and use of this with more and more people jumping online and getting into the crypto space. You're going to see a lot of people continuing to bog up the Ethereum gas fees and so much more in the Ethereum way. So I want to jump into a little bit more when it comes to Polygon. We have the daily hold actually talking about Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary says Solana Sol, Polygon MATIC, and HBAR Hedera Hashgraph have a large potential. And that's definitely something I agree with. These three coins specifically are really all great coins to invest in. I think when we get down to it, though, Polygon is going to serve its purpose, and that's really the biggest thing that we need to continue to see. If we jump over to the next tweet, this tweet specifically talks about the total number of unique MATIC addresses now over 130 million, which almost all happened in a year. For comparison, Ethereum is at 184 million. Only a matter of time until Polygon is in the top 10. That's definitely just a really an optimistic view, but realistically, there's huge potential for Polygon to make it to the top 10. There's a huge reason and utility case there that really makes this use case Polygon MATIC a very, very valuable one. I want to jump over to the next tweet, though. This one talks about more than 500K domains have been minted on Polygon. This brings the total number of NFTs, really domains minted on chain, to 993K. So we are very, very close to that 1 million. This was back January 19th. So this was yesterday morning that this was posted out. So great to see this happening as well. I want to jump over to the next article here. This article is huge. So Polygon actually delegated $189 million worth of MATIC to Bitfinex for staking. The new program may offer 41% in staking rewards on an annualized basis for a limited time. This is absolutely massive for the Polygon holders that can take advantage of 41% annual returns. If you guys have to kind of realize here, if you take advantage of a bank and you try to actually just kind of utilize their 0.0001% interest, you're not going to get any great, really returns off that. This is the kind of stuff that is bringing the average Joe to cryptocurrency. This is bringing the people to this space, this high annual returns that they can't get anywhere else. It's also bringing, by the way, not just retail investors, but institutional investors. So this is a big play by Polygon. I do think a lot of whales are going to act on this, take advantage of that very, very high staking reward, something that a lot of us probably should be doing. I want to jump, though, into the next tweet. So this one kind of talks a little bit more about that MATIC being a 41.7% annualized staking rewards for higher yield. MATIC staking now available on the Bitfinex platform, the trading platform itself. So if you guys want to, by the way, jump into Polygon, or you want to jump in any different cryptocurrencies, I do have all links down in the description below. If you want to jump into any different exchange, whether it's Coinbase, Crypto.com, BlockFi, take advantage of these really massive passive income opportunities. A lot of these exchanges do have that. Voyager actually has a really good ones as well. So definitely, like I said, sign up using the links down below. It'll help me. It'll help you. So just want to give you guys an understanding of that. I want to jump, though, back over to Twitter because we have some big things going on. If you guys follow me at CryptoProfitYT on Twitter, there's some big things, like I said, going on here just as of recently. So I did ask you guys, what NFT projects are you guys involved in? I want to hear your NFT projects because I've just recently got that kind of new enthusiasm about NFTs. You know, I did talk about them quite a bit in probably the last 6 to 12 months, but I just want to talk a little bit more about what you guys are seeing as the highest utility NFTs out there in the space and what NFTs I should jump into. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. I want to hear what you guys have to say. So if you guys haven't already responded to this tweet, make sure to respond in the YouTube video to really kind of give me an understanding of what you guys think are the big things to jump into right now. If we also kind of take a look down, by the way, we do have a giveaway going on, and I kind of want to give you guys the opportunity to follow me at CryptoProfitYT on Twitter and then retweet this tweet. So still trying to give that chain link away. If we hit $40 link by the end of January, I'll give 100 link away. So all you have to do is retweet this tweet and follow me to be entered on Twitter. So thank you guys again for tuning in. I want to jump now, though, over to the price predictions when it comes to Polygon. We're seeing a $2.16 price point, a 2.74% increase. There's a lot of people that believe we are going to continue to see Polygon reach closer and closer to $7 to $10. I think, you know, as we move farther forward, by the end of this month, we're not going to see too much, honestly. We're still in this accumulation phase. We're still in this kind of finding where we are, finding our footing stage of the market. And I think realistically, by the end of the year, though, we are going to see prices continue to climb. With that, by the end of the year, the bull market, in my opinion, is not going to be fully over with. I don't think we're going to be finding that bear market quite yet. I think realistically, as we continue to move forward, the end of the year is going to see Polygon's price between a $5 to $6 to $7 price point. As we continue farther forward, we're going to easily see a bull market ending of Polygon around that $10 price point that everybody is excited for. And there's reasons to believe that we could definitely do that, like I said, within the next 2 to 3 years. Because of where Polygon's at now, the utility and use cases that it does provide to the ecosystem, I think it's an obvious choice, an obvious winner in 2022. And that's why I continue to talk about it, not just in these dedicated videos, but also into some of my top fives. If you guys haven't watched some of those, there's a lot of great winners and a lot of reasons as to why I jump in on those winners. So definitely take advantage of all the content you can find here on the channel. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. If you guys want to jump into a new exchange, sign up on a new exchange. There's all great really links down below to help you guys get a bonus or a boost start. So thank you again. Take advantage of those, and I'll see you all in the next one.